Jimmy, 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 aja, aja, aja. Jimmy, 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 aja, aja, aja. Okay, so this is my entrance. Firstly, welcome to Tailor Made Stories and here I am standing at my entrance. तो ये मेरा घर का entrance है. ओके सो प्लीज़ देखिए ये मैंने मिट्टी वाली चीज़ें खरीदे हैं यहाँ से ही गांधीनगर से. ओके नाउ कम आई विल शो यू मोर. सो दिस बेसिकली segment, this episode is all about how many frames do I have in my house. Okay, so this Parikshit got for us. So it's the Baba's a happy place, Parikshit and Neeti. So basically this is what he does, this is what I do. Okay, and let's start with this. Each frame that we have, it means something. So let's go close to the world is our oyster. So florals for life because I love florals. And it's a dream to travel to Bahamas. Only if it was not so far, we would have. But because it's super, super far, we're not. Then it's, and the adventures began. Party does. And travel together because we love scooties and all. फिर follow your bliss. इसका ये, yeah, follow your bliss. Then we have road trip, plant your dreams. I'm recently I've started liking all like gardening and everything. So this is to छुपाओ the switchboard जो बाहर होता है. Fun is in the air. Let's sail. Then you are magic and you need to know your superpower. So that's something. Each frame means something. Then you rock, ekdam crazy rock. And let's take a ride because we both just recently bought a cycle. We both have a cycle and we cycle with Nugget. Also, because I love these two paintings, that's why I got it. And don't miss this out. This is something I got made. So I got this basket, kind of a thing, as a gift with what was in it? It was Belgian waffles powder. Yeah, so I made this. I bought these things and I put. So spread love and not germs. So please do this also. An idea to give you all. And I'm going to show you how many posters, like how many frames we have at home. So chaliye. My kitchen was clean last week. Sorry if you missed it. It's not my fault. My kitchen is very clean. Okay. So basically इसका भी एक छुपा हुआ राज है. So all these pictures, these frames were framed by my papa, father-in-law. And when I came to the house, he put all these pictures in the room. And मेरे side पे he put like my family की picture. And it was so sweet that हमने चोरी कर दिया because पूरा जो था उधर we got it here. हमने माँ पा और mom dad सब बहुत चोरी किया है. But this is something he did this for me and I loved it so much. I was so touched. I'm actually very grateful that I have my ma and pa because they are the sweetest. And yes, so they did this for me. We robbed it and we got it here. So it's as tall as Parikshit. So basically this painting was gifted by me on his birthday. And मेरे पति ने मेरे को ये बोला था, how nice, but it's my birthday, it's not an anniversary. He's gonna kill me for saying this. But this I gave and I think this is the cutest thing ever. And yes, I shouldn't have given this to him on his birthday. I made a mistake, but it's okay. But this is there. Okay, so chaliye, next room. This is also a cute room we have that Parikshit gets ready in. Okay, so let's start with this this frame. I don't know why am I calling it a poster, but this frame. So basically it is Avengers. Okay, then we have Veer Das. Okay, so it's only after we've lost everything that we are free to do anything. Then we have Friends. Then we have Harley Davidson because Parikshit and Papa, they love it. And we all have a bike of it. Chelsea because Parikshit is die-hard fan. Parikshit and I are die-hard fan of Chelsea. I have no idea who's this. I think it's from Suits. I think so because the face looks like that. Then we have the chimps. And then we have the glassy over there. And then we actually, can I show this also? This is a very like cute buy of mine, this cupboard. and I quite like it. It's actually very very pretty and cute and very antique. Okay, so चलिए दूसरे side. So Mario de Miranda, he was an Indian cartoonist, and he used to paint also, and these are his frames that we have got, his pictures that we have got framed. So it's painted by him only. So परीक्षित ने खुद कीले लगाई हैं. हमारे घर पे जितनी भी पोस्टर है हमारे पति ने ही सारा काम किया है. आई शपथ, he got a entire toolkit to do this. So yes, we have beers all around the world. कितने प्रकार के होते हैं. ऊपर पैन कीजिए, shorts menu. Woohoo! This is woohoo! Then wine all around the world. Then we have some beer. Wow, like everything is there. The very many varieties of beer. Then the bar is open. That's also a poster or a frame. And then we have fill it up beer. I don't know itna beer pita kaun hai, but we still are crazy about these frames. Okay, so आगे बढ़िए. So life is all about timing things. So you know when आप चाय पे डुबोते हो अपना रस या बिस्किट, तो वो you need to pick it up at a perfect time before it drops down. So that is what it means. Then we have tu cheez badi hai mast mast, tu cheez badi hai mast cheez. It's actually very cute. जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. This is so cute. We got all this online. And आओ कभी हवेली पे. ये सबको पता ही है आजकल बहुत स्पेशल हो रहा है. My last two for today is नींबू and मिर्ची. Very very important. नज़र को दूर रखता है वो. And then no one handles your shit better than you. So always remember that. Don't blame anything that happens to you to anybody else. Pick it up and we can start it all over again. So that is it, and that's the thought for today, that you can do everything on your own. Don't rely on anyone, and take care of yourself, love yourself, and you can pick yourself again and do whatever you want, because you are so strong. Oh, hurt my hair. But anyway, this is like the last poster, so I'm shocked पता चल गया कि कितने posters हैं नीचे, and I hope you like this segment. I'm trying to do something very different people don't do. So I hope and pray that you guys like this episode. Thank you for loving what's in my fridge, because that was also something new that I'm coming up with. But I hope you like this little house of mine, and I'll keep showing you little parts of it. So keep pouring all that love that you have for me, and don't forget to like, comment, share with everyone, and subscribe. Please, 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 and please press the bell icon to get all the updates about my channel. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Lots of love. Okay, bye. That's the peacock. Okay, bye.